How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, back with another video, and it's another Jailbreak Wednesday, and I've got a few good tweaks to show you today. So we'll just start off with the very first tweak, and that's Smart Low Power Mode. Now what Smart Low Power Mode does is it automatically puts your device into low power mode determined by your set presets. So I'm just going to go into the settings for Smart Low Power Mode, and there you have it. You can enable the tweak. You can put on low power mode when your device is locked. You can do it when it's charging, and you can also do it to a set particular battery percentage, and you can disable the alert as well. And this is really great, and it ties in very well with the tweak I showed in the last Jailbreak Wednesday video, which is the XP Auto Network. So putting those two tweaks together would make your device have as long as a battery life you'd want to get on your iOS device. So that's really cool. Maybe not as long as you'd want to get, so not like ridiculous times though, but pretty good battery life. And the next one is miscellaneous settings, so Misc Settings, and I'm just going to find it in here. And this one has been through a bunch of updates, so this now has more than 46 tweaks inside of it, and it's becoming like the OG tweaks. So that's Twittomizer and Hide Me X. Those tweaks were like full-on packed tweaks with like so many stuff, and this is slowly becoming that. So I'm just going to go through a few of the settings because this tweak is quite honorable. And yeah, so it's for the status bar particularly. You can decide to hide any like logo that you might find on the top. So that's pretty cool. And it also says show status bar in open folder. So in the case where you open a folder, yeah, you can decide to show the status bar there because they removed it in iOS 11. And we'll just head on to the lock screen, so you can hide the today view, you can hide the blur on the notification center pool, so over there, and you can remove the now playing message, or rather notification, like on your lock screen when you're playing music. You can disable the no old notifications or no older notifications on the lock screen when you don't have notifications, and just a bunch of other things down there. I'll just head into the springboard. So with Springboard, you can remove the icon labels, which I currently have removed, so none of my icons have any labels on them. I really like that one. You can pinch to close folders, so that's really cool. Not very intuitive on my small screen here, but you can do that. You can remove the folder animation, so as you probably saw there, my folder animations are not there. It's snappy. And just a bunch of other things, clear switcher as well, but yeah, I've got another tweak for this. So basically this tweak does so many things for you. And yeah, just a bunch of other ones. I'll end it off on the springboard for there, but I'll head into the control center. And this tweak I reviewed like 2 weeks ago in the previous Jailbreak Wednesday is already in this one, and it's cowbell, so it shows your percentage in the widget over there, which is really neat. So you can get this with miscellaneous settings. But yeah, that's enough for miscellaneous settings. You should probably get this tweak. It's becoming like Twittomizer or Hide Me X. So yeah, that's really cool. And now the next tweak is called Smooth Headers 11, and Smooth Headers 11 basically gets rid of all the headers for your notifications. So here I have like, this is from podcast, this is from podcast, and I don't use podcasts very often. And yeah, this is from like Instagram. This is from IFTTT. Make sure to check that out. I'll probably have a video on IFTTT soon enough. And yeah, you basically remove all the labels, so it doesn't show you what apps they're from, but I can tell because of the colors I have on them. And I don't remember the tweak off the top of my head, but I'll try and leave it like right there for the colors that I'm getting in my notification center. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Gives you like this clean look on your device. And now the next tweak is called AFlex Loader, and AFlex Loader, for those of you who use flex tweaks, you can disable per app basis the flex tweaks, so that's pretty neat. I don't use flex tweaks too often, and I don't often find myself wanting to disable the flex tweaks I actually use. But yeah, if you're a flex tweak user, you can use that as well. And now the next tweak is called YTUI Customiser, so YTUI Customiser. And just have a look at my YouTube app right here. So I've got it in like red at the bottom, red at the top, black in the middle, the text have a few issues showing, so I'm pretty sure you can probably implement this with Eclipse, but this offers a lot more customization. So you can customize the badges on like the YouTube buttons down here. You can actually change the colors of these buttons down here, and looking here you see I have like almost a turquoise blue. So yeah, that's really nice. So you can customize the font color as well, so that's really cool. And yeah, that's the YTUI Customizer. I'll just show you the settings for this right here. So YTUI Customizer, and there's YTUI Customizer. So you can change the icon tint, you can change the background color, the tab bar, and the text color. So that's pretty neat. And one tweak I didn't mention, or I didn't display in the past Jailbreak Wednesday video, was this Twittomizer XI, and I believe it's from the same person. Yeah, it is. So from the same person who made this tweak is the same person who made Twittomizer XI, and I finally got it to actually display the colors, and it looks really good. So I'm just going to show you my Twitter right here, and yeah, this is really cool. So look at that, red accents over there, brown text, green letters for like the person's account, so just like back there, and black background, which is really cool. You can customize the colors of this. It's pretty much fully customizable, and that's really awesome. So yeah, this is really clean, and I really like this like OLED looking style black that I've got. I know it's not as true of a black as OLED, but yeah, look at my cars right there. We'll just go on to the next tweak, and that's Moo. So MOO. So Moo, basically, I didn't know this was a thing, but apparently if you open the calculator when your device is still locked, it doesn't rotate. So, but yeah, with Moo, you can rotate your device even if it's locked, and as you can see, there's the locked icon on the top over there. So yeah, if you happen to find that annoying, I guess, yeah, well, that's for you. And the last trick for today is called InstaOnline Monitor, and I currently have it installed, but I haven't bought it, and you need to buy it to actually use it. It costs $249. Not a big price, but I haven't found the need to actually use this, so I'm just going to find InstaOnline Monitor. And yeah, what InstaOnline Monitor does is you can spy on people. Probably not the best thing to do, but you can spy on people when they like get online on Instagram, and you can also like follow their history of like their online. But one thing is that you do have to have your own give me a second here. So yeah, you do have to have your user activity online before you can track other people's status on Instagram, and it shows you live updates of their status changes. You get notifications as well, and you can monitor as many people as you want. But yeah, that's InstaOnline Monitor. Paid app, $249. I don't see why too many people should get this. It's not really nice stalking other people. But yeah, that's InstaOnline Monitor. And that's it from me for this Jailbreak Wednesday. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, check out other jailbreak tweaks as well. If you like them, make sure to get them. Yeah, that's it from me. Yomitosh here, signing out. Peace.